Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to fix Stremio add-ons not working. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. Well, to be honest with you, fixing this issue is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, in the first step, what you need to do is open Stremio. Then in the next step, what you need to do is log into your account on your computer or laptop. After that, what you need to do is access add-ons. And for that, what you need to do is click the add-ons icon on the left sidebar, and then go to the add-ons page. Use the search bar in the top right to find the add-ons you want. However, if you encounter errors, what you need to do is go to settings on the left, visit the Stremio official website and download the latest version. And if your issue is still not fixed, what you can do is check your internet connection. Open a new tab and go to fast.com to ensure your internet connection is stable. And then in the next and final step, what you can do is restart your computer. And then most probably your add-ons should start working. And that's pretty much all about Stremio add-ons if they are not working. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.